One thing we find in conversations with customers oftentimes, especially customers who are coming net new to the Maximo application suite, is what's it going to cost? And the question, of course, from a customer perspective is very fair, right? And I get it. The problem is it's incredibly complex, and they're like, well, why is that? You know, it's right there. It's on the website. Here's Maximo. Here's what it does. And the reason is that Maximo as an application suite serves dozens and dozens of industries with thousands of different use cases. And it comes out of the box with one configuration effectively. Now, the industry vertical solutions will tweak that a bit, but even they are super generic within those verticals. And at the end of the day, the whole point of the application is that it actually simplifies your business, right? Not that it complicates it. And an out-of-box Maximo screen, I say, it's one size fits nobody. There's 200 fields on a work order screen when the average person probably needs 10 or 15 to get a work order done. So what are you going to do with the rest of those? You're going to confuse people if you roll it out that way. And when we start digging deeper and we say, well, okay, Maximo has a workflow engine, and that workflow engine will route those work orders to the right people, and then it'll track the approvals, rejections, or whatever it is, and it controls status. And you have that also the PR and PO, you have purchasing module, and you have inventory, and you have your asset tracking, and you have your spare parts tracking. And suddenly, when you start looking at this, you're like, wow, there's a business process behind every single one of those applications. There's probably some kind of workflow with approvals and authority limits on it. And there's the data that we want to see on the screen based upon how we do business and the other systems that we have to integrate with. And suddenly it just got really complex. And that's why giving someone a rough order of magnitude cost estimate is really complex. We have to learn a lot about what you do, why you do it, and where you want to go before we can give you a reasonable price. To an extent, it's like building a custom race car. If somebody walked up and said, hey, I need a race car, how much is it going to cost? Well, I'd be like, I don't know. Is this Formula One, Formula Two? Is it NASCAR? Is it Rally? Is it, Baja? What is it? We got to get a basis to start from. And so there's a lot that goes into that. And we have another video that dives into all the components needed, which if you're interested in preparing that on your own, jump to that video as well, what's needed to put together a Maximo cost estimate. But if you just want some guidance, that's why we're here. This is deep water. It's highly complex. We've been doing this for 30 years, and we can help you guide you through that pretty quickly. And that's not going to cost you anything. So reach out, give us a call, hit us up, sales@banetti.com. Like, subscribe. Let's get going. Get ready with Banetti.